Hi, I'd like to introduce you this high-speed film blowing machine. It's mainly for HDP film, and maximum this model is for 600 millimeters. The output can reach 50 to 60 kilogram per hour. The film is very shining and bright. Also, the tension is very good. With single rewinder, the cutting blade can cut the film in the side. This is the main extrusion part. Very good quality double lip airing and high-speed die head with ceramic heaters for the die head and the screw. The air blower, 4 kilogram with inverter control. The screw diameter is 45 millimeter high-speed type. Air cooling fan. Autoloader can feed the material automatically. Main motor, 15 kilowatt gearbox. This is electric control box. Inverter for main motor. Take-up unit control this inverter, and this inverter to control the air blower. This is air bubble. Thanks for watching and welcome for your inquiry.